Hello students, today we're starting with practical 1 which covers one of the most essential data structures in Python, the list. Think of a list like a dynamic shopping cart. You can put items in, take them out, change them, and even rearrange them. The official goal is simple: write a program to explain list operations. Your provided code shows us 10 key ways to manipulate this cart. 8. The basics: creating and accessing elements. First, we create our list, which is an ordered collection of items enclosed in square brackets. Accessing: we use indexing. Remember, Python starts counting at 0, 0. So, fruit 0 gives us the first item. Pro tip: use negative indices. Fruits -1 is a quick way to grab the last item, no matter how long the list is. Though, modifying the list, mutability: lists are mutable, which means you can change them after creation. Changing elements: to replace an item, you simply point to its index and assign a new value. Fruits 1 equals orange. It's like swapping out an item in your shopping cart. 10. Adding items, growing the list. We have two main methods for adding items. Append: this is the fastest and easiest way. It always adds the new item to the very end of the list. Think of it as throwing the last minute item into the cart. Insert: this is precise. You provide the index where you want the new item to go, allowing you to place it anywhere in the middle. Char: removing items, taking things out. You have three powerful ways to remove elements. 1. Remove: use this when you know the value you want to get rid of. For example, fruits, remove orange. It removes the first matching instance. 2. Pop: this method removes the item at a specific index, e.g., fruits.pop 2, and has a bonus: it returns the item, so you can save or use it. If you don't give it an index, it pops the last item. 3. Del statement: this is a general Python keyword used to delete an element by its index. 5. Slicing a list. Extracting subset slicing is a super useful technique for taking a section of a list. The syntax says: start, stop, step. Numbers 1:4 gives you items starting at index 1 up to but not including index 4. The result is indices 1, 2, and 3. Numbers 2 uses the step value. It starts at the beginning and takes every second element. 6 or 7. Inspecting and iterating. Lay, the built-in len function simply tells you the count of items in the list. Looping, the for loop is the standard, clean way to process every single item in the list, one by one. Art, list comprehension, the Pythonic way. This is a key concept for writing clean, efficient code. List comprehension allows you to create a new list based on an existing sequence in a single, concise line. Squares equals x tarankan 2 for x in range 5 is much quicker than writing a full multi-line for loop. It essentially